Once again, a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Lynn, and welcome to Pusat Bintara for High Flyers. Thank you, and to all our Muslim guests, Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri. Now, this morning, we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. So we hope you leave the show feeling amazed by our conservation champions and be inspired to take actions for all our feathered friends across the world. So right now we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Now in the wild, macaws, they love to congregate on palm trees to feast on fruits and nuts. So if you look right up there, we have some fruits and nuts attached to the tree. With that, everyone, keep your eyes back there. Let's welcome the birds. Back up, here comes the first one. Now this is Gaia, our high-seed macaw. One more friend will be joining him from way up there. Once again, there he is, Adrian, our scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them, they can be found in the forest of South America. So going back to Gaia, the blue bird, now Gaia, it's a high-seed macaw. They are the largest in the parrot family. If you'd like to see more parrots, do head on down to the parrot paradise. Now right after feasting, these birds will go to rocky areas just like this to lick up on clay or chalk, and this would help them with digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Well, looks like both birds are still right up here, but not to worry, because this will definitely be their next stop.
Hi everyone, this is Ippy, our scarlet macaw, and in fact, he is Jurong Bird Park's Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador. Now Ippy is very environmentally conscious. Whenever he sees litters lying around, he will pick them up, attempt to put them in their respective bins.
Wow, interesting. Okay, how about we give Ippy a little test? Alright, so I have 3 kinds of litter with me. I have a drink carton, a metal can, and I also have a plastic bottle.
Perfect, because I have 3 different kinds of bins. One for paper, one for metal, and of course one for plastic.
Okay, very good. So let's see if Ippy can put all the pieces back into the correct bins. Okay?
You roll, Ippy.
Okay, drink carton goes first.
Wow, hello.
Okay, he goes for the metal can next. Smart, right? Last one.
Okay, let's see.
What?
I don't think Ippy can reach the top of the bin. I think it's a bit too high.
Okay, I forgot. Oh, Ippy here has many tools. This is a stool.
A very cute stool indeed. Okay, Ippy, I'm gonna place a stool right there. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Watch him. Okay.
Oh, very smart. Okay, here's your plastic bottle, Ippy.
That's right, he steps on the stool and recycles! He finally let go of the bottle. Thank you, Ippy. On a more serious note though, plastic has invaded the planet.
And they do this in the wild for social communication. Now, the yellow-named Amazon parrot right here is famous for its ability to copy human sounds. And we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? Alright, so let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello?
Hello!
Wow, that was very nice and sweet hello. Now he's going to introduce himself first. Can you tell them your name?
Amigo!
Do you catch that? One more time, what's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo is his name. Okay, Amigo. There's so many of them this morning. Now, how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are
How are you? Very polite bird indeed. Now, not only that, okay, Amigo here, he is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English.
1, 2, 3, 7.
Hey, hang on. What happened to 4, 5, and 6? Amigo, you gotta count the whole thing, okay? Let's try this once again. Okay, amigo, how do you count in English?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There you go! Perfect 10. Well done. Now here. 很好 means very good in Chinese. Now not only that, amigo here, he loves to sing as well, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. So the first song, a local children's song called Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. Ready, amigo? How do you sing in Mandarin?